There you go. Okay, so we're here today with Dina from Caffe Americano. She's gonna do the
Chicken Francese.
Chicken Francese.
Chicken Francese.
How do you say it?
Chicken Francese sounds like a little bit French, but actually
Okay.
it is an Italian-American dish. Now, it's something that when I was little, my mother used to make on special occasions because in those days, they immigrated from Italy in the 50s. And that was a special treat that she made on Sunday. And it's got your, what was I going to say? It's got that creaminess that I think comes from the butter. And that's
Okay.
why they kind of think it's the French part of it, but it is an Italian dish.
Okay.
From what I can remember, right? So,
looks
let's
yummy.
start it. I have already washed and fried my chicken. Okay? I always do that. I do it in the sink over there, then I disinfect the sink from that. Because we all know we have to be cautious. Poultry. So I'm going to take one of the chicken breast. We're going to cut it and butterfly it in half right here on my chicken breast.
Yeah, my computer's in here.
Little cut here. Are you cooking along or are you just going to watch?
No, I'm just gonna watch today. I'm gonna cook it tomorrow. I'm gonna make it tomorrow.
Maybe tomorrow. So there's the one chicken breast. Okay. So I got my flour. Just get some regular flour. Michelle. I wash my hands in between. I always wash my hands in between touching the chicken and I'm going to, touch the salt or the pepper or whatever. Okay, so I got my flour ready. In here, I'm going to crack my 2 eggs. Okay, got the 2 eggs right here.
So you split the chicken breast in half?
I split the chicken breast in half.
Okay.
Okay,
I can show you here.
and here it is right here. It's, you see, I sort of like a, but not all the way through. But
Yeah.
like, what do they call that? Like butterfly?
Yeah, butterfly.
Yeah.
Right? And then I just give it a little bit to tenderize it between some saran wrap. So I take a piece of saran wrap and I put it in here like that, and take my this mallet, and I use this and I give it a little bit, just a little bit.
Okay.
Just like that. Okay, so back to the eggs. We take the 2 eggs. We take some parsley. Some parsley, look at this. Chop it up right in front of you. Hi.
Hi.
Hi, Michelle. Nice that you're here. Nice that you're here in this classroom. Are we in a classroom?
Sure are.
Okay, so let's do some parsley in here, and some salt and pepper. So like I said, it's a really nice, easy dish. We'll put some pepper in, and we'll put a little bit of salt. Okay, like that. That should be good. We will get, we'll beat it up a bit. Okay. That's one nice thing about it. It's pretty simple.
Yeah.
It's a tasty little dish, you know.
What do you usually serve with it?
I can serve it with a side of noodles or rice or some just fresh vegetables, a salad.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to turn some, I think, get some heat going here.
Yeah, sure.
So
So back
we'll
up.
back up a bit. We'll use this element. Okay, and I put some, I mix, Michelle, a little bit of olive oil, and a little bit of butter. So I'm sure. Oh, this is not okay. Oops. We'll get that going because this doesn't take very much. Can she see?
Yeah. Yeah.
So then we take this piece of chicken breast here. Dip it in that flour. Do both sides. Shake it off. And I'm gonna get my this is not gonna take very long, is it?
No, but that's okay.
It really isn't gonna take long. But like you asked, you can use anything for a side dish. Noodles, rice, some fresh vegetables. You can have some asparagus, mushrooms,
Okay.
right? That's one nice thing about this. It's a quick, easy dish.
It looks down to
So it's not like this up to its temperature.
What did your mom used to serve it with?
Noodles. She
Okay.
used to make her own pasta, right? And she used to
Yeah.
make linguine or fettuccine or the wider ones, the papatella noodles.
Nice.
Serve it with that. Or sometimes, she did mushrooms and she'd saute mushrooms on the side, that kind of thing, or a nice Italian salad.
Yeah. Okay.
It's like I said, it was a real treat, right? A real treat. So.
I know, it looks like it's bubbling, but it's not fully melted yet.
It's not there yet.
I think we gotta wait a bit longer.
Can you see, Michelle?
Yep, I'm good. Thank you.
You're good?
Yeah, it's close.
Oh,
yeah,
yes,
look at
we
that.
are. We're getting it. Look at that. Okay. So anyway, shake it off, put it in the flour, dip it in the egg, and coat it up. Turn around, put it again. And here we go. I think it should be ready. I hope so. Here we go. And we'll give it about 4 minutes, 5 minutes on each side, and then we'll turn it. Like to get it that nice goldy kind of color. And then we'll continue. So
Perfect.
let it do its thing right now. Yep. If you got any questions, go ahead and ask.
So what do you serve in your restaurant?
Right now, I'm basically just keeping it like breakfast sandwiches, burgers, salads, fries, like a little bit of soup. I mean,
So where do you, your menu, where do you put it?
I have it in the front. And then
Okay.
Yeah, and I do have a website now, and it's on my website too.
What's your website?
You go caffeeamericanos.trail or caffeeamericanos.trail.com, you'll find it.
Okay.
So you see, it's getting that nice golden color, right?
Yeah.
It is. Can you see it? See how nice it's kind of
Yeah, looks good.
doing its thing? I think it's been about, what do you figure, 3 minutes?
I'm not good with time.
The color looks nice. So there you go, Michelle. So you see the color?
Okay.
That's the kind of color you want to get, right?
Nice.
And you see how nice it is when you just leave it like a fillet and you don't.
Yeah.
put it in a group? So you got that one nice piece. It's a generous serving per person. Yeah.
That's a
Right?
lot. Yeah.
It's a lot. Now I have 2 people tonight, and that's what they're picking up for dinner. I told them I was doing a demonstration. This is going to be their dinner. So maybe easy peasy for me.
Yeah.
few more minutes. And I'm gonna get a few plates, and we'll put them on the plates for a second.
Looks yummy.
Put it here, and then we'll make the sauce for it.
Okay.
I'll show you how we do that. But if you want a quick meal, I think this is a pretty quick meal.
Yeah, it's very quick.
That was really quick. I heat it up quickly.
Yeah. It looks yummy.
Now, do you sell your chicken pot pies, Michelle?
No, I don't. No, because I don't have a commercial kitchen. I just do it from home. So I don't know, kind of, if it was somebody I knew, I would, but I don't want to kind of end up in trouble if I,
It sounds like you do a lot of cooking.
I do. Yeah. It's my passion. One of them. Yeah, I love it. So, yep. I used to do gourmet dinners with friends and stuff too.
And I'm going to glaze this, right? So what I do is I put a little bit of wine in there. I think, you know what? I forgot to open it up. Oh, but we did it. We did it.
Nice.
So,
You're supposed to taste it first.
okay, so you see it, about a half a cup.
Okay.
Okay. And I want some chicken stock so it keeps moving. Chicken stock. You see that, Michelle?
That's chicken stock?
Yeah.
Okay.
Normally I used to make my own, but we have to do another video if you want to see how that's made. And then I'll half a cup or so, and just sort of get that going like a little sauce, right? Okay. And it's too bad I don't have any vegetables. I could have done, a few vegetables on the side, but. So kind of reduce it, like let it reduce itself, right?
Yeah.
You see that, right? And I like to put a little bit of butter in here too. Do you do a lot of measuring or do you just throw things together?
Both.
Oh,
Both. Yeah.
I'm a measurer.
and you're measuring?
Yeah.
You're precise.
I
No.
feel like I'm just not familiar enough to be sure.
Yeah.
Yeah. Depends what it is for me, but yeah, and recipes, I start following them and then I'm like, oh, I'm going to add this or I'm going to leave that out or, so
Change it up a little bit.
yeah.
So that's kind of reduced itself quite nicely, okay? And I suppose, if you wanted to, you could put a little flour in there and thicken it. But you got the flour from here, so I'm gonna put this back in and let it do its final move. And I'm gonna put that little bit of butter in there too. And parsley. Okay, can't you see that?
Yeah.
And you're gonna add some parsley?
Yeah, we can plate it up with parsley. But I'm gonna
How's
just do a little bit more cooking, huh?
How's it smelling, Patricia?
Delicious. Of course. Of course it is.
Now, Michelle,
Yeah.
have a little sample, right?
Yeah.
Technology hasn't come up with that yet where you can just pass it through the iPad.
Wouldn't it be great if it could?
It would.
See how nice that starts to thicken up? So I
Yeah.
actually two, which I'm going to do another one because, like I said, I've got this already for two people that need dinner tonight.
Yeah.
So that is going to work out just beautifully. So, and that is your chicken francese. You know what I forgot to put in there though?
What, the lemon?
Oh, the garlic.
Oh, you smashed the garlic. I didn't see it.
Yeah, I did, and I forgot to throw it in.
When would you put it in?
I should have put it in like just before we put the chicken.
Okay, so let the oil and the butter heat and then add the garlic?
Yeah.
Ah.
So don't forget that, okay, Michelle, when you're making it, don't forget to add a little bit of
So you add the garlic before you start frying the chicken?
Yeah, just before it, okay? Like,
Okay.
get oil and the butter, heat it up, and then put the little bit of garlic in, and then put your chicken in. Right?
Okay. And what
There's-
about lemon? Do you put lemon in it too?
Thank you, yes. And the squeeze of lemon, right? I never mash it. Shut up. I just do a half of lemon. Okay,
Okay,
that's it.
nice.
A very nice, easy dish.
Yeah.
There you go. And then I just garnish it up with a little bit of fresh parsley there. Look at.
Oh, nice.
Later up. get
Awesome.
some- So now you can make you can even make that for yourself tomorrow.
That's what tomorrow's dinner is.
Look. So I'm going to just put it in here for now, like I said. And can you see?
Yeah.
Can you see? And then I'm
Yeah.
gonna make it because I've got a couple people. There's two here.
Get some replay action.
I am gonna use it. Voila, right?
Oh, nice.
And then a few veggies or a few noodles.
Yeah,
You got
perfect.
yourself a nice little dinner.
That looks lovely.
There you go, right?
Yum.
There is our demonstration.
All right.
So, you're welcome
Awesome.
in
Thank you.
my kitchen.
Okay, thank you.
Meeting you, Michelle.
Pardon me?
I look forward to meeting you. Coming
Yes.
to the coffee shop here.
Okay, I will.
Introduce yourself,
Okay,
know how this turns out when you make it.
I will for sure. Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
I'm going to say a big thank you before I stop recording because we are very thankful to Trail District Public Library for having community members come and do our in the kitchen programs, which change from time to time, but every time we're very thankful for our community members who help make this program fun and exciting.
Yes, thank you.
And thank you for having me, Patricia.
Of course, Dina. So
Okay.
I'm just going to stop this for us.